Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Crunchyroll downloads not working, DRM storage and app cache fix. Fix 1. Verify account eligibility. You just have to open the Crunchyroll app and tap on the account icon in the bottom right corner. Look directly under your username at the top and confirm it say Mega Fan or Ultimate Fan. Fix 2. Clear storage and reset the app. You just have to open your phone's main setting app and go to the apps or application, then manage apps. Then you have to select Crunchyroll from the list and tap on storage or cache. Then tap on the clear cache. Check your overall phone storage to ensure you have at least 5 GB of free space. Fix 3. Correct your network setting. You just have to reopen the Crunchyroll app and tap on account setting preference. Then locate your download settings. If you are using mobile data, turn on to toggle for download over cellular network. Tap on download quality and change it from high to medium or standard to make the file easier to download. Fix 4. Execute the download properly. Go to your download queue and delete any failed or paused episode. Select only one episode to download at a time. Keep the Crunchyroll app open on your screen during the download. Do not lock your phone or switch to other app until the download reach 100%. Thanks for watching.